Join us in this episode when we
enjoy the Carnival in La Paz,
immerse ourselves deeper into boat projects,
cross the Sea of Cortez,
explore mainland Mexico,
and continue on to the Mexican Galapagos.
It's Carnival season in La Paz, and everybody is out in the streets celebrating. This year's theme is Infinite Universe.
The highlight is a big parade with elaborately decorated floats and enthusiastic performers.
And there are some interesting creatures in the streets.
It's also a big shopping event. Luckily, we don't have much space on our boat.
Déjame solo. Total, chilitos. Si el viejo me corre, que me corra. Que me corra.
There are games for both young and old.
You can also lose your money by betting on the streets.
Besides partying, we are also focusing on upgrading our boat to being a long-distance cruiser.
We are here in La Paz, Marina Palmyra, and the boat is a mess again because we do a lot of work. Electrical work, wiring. Alena is doing some sewing here.
Looking up information meanwhile before I start.
It's even really hard to walk in here because there's so much stuff. There's more work going on over here in the office area. Just installed the solar panels. And I'm working on the wiring of the solar panels. And even if you look outside in the cockpit, it looks even worse. Took the engine apart the other day and it's looking for some hoses and yeah, it's just a big mess. Luckily, La Paz in the winter is a great place to work on your boat, but we still have a long way to go.
Right, well let's all break out in song to Mr. Rogers. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Screw that. Good morning, Jimmy. Good morning, Fleet. No secret I can't sing, but the sentiment is right. It is beautiful.
So we seize the day, use public transport,
I guess I'll play old, right? Yes, it does.
to shop at several stores, and jump back into our boat projects.
On top of our list is converting an old icebox into a refrigerator.
We take a quick break.
What did you find?
Found a very scary animal on the beach.
Which one?
This bright orange dinosaur.
Oh wow, did not have
watch
dinosaurs
out. They
here.
do.
It's a fossil?
Yeah, you can see he's getting a little cracked there.
Oh, it's broken back there, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Beware.
You don't find it on any beach.
And then we go solar.
Okay, finally after a lot of work, we are able to go off-grid and to connect all solar panels. So I'm gonna switch off the shore power now. And now we connect the solar panels. Drum roll, please. Very good. More drum roll. Connect this one. And this one. And voila! Here's the green light. It shows we are connected to the solar panels. Now we are actually off-grid and can go cruising. But not so fast. First, I have a dental emergency, which is quickly taken care of by an excellent dentist and her assistant. The last main issue we need to tackle before we leave is to get our second-hand watermaker to work.
There's no salt in it.
Yeah.
There's a whole lot of oil and diesel in there. Oh, tastes like, I don't know, something you should not be drinking. Here is our water maker. Luckily, it looks like it's actually working, so I think we can do something with it. The filters...
A few leaks still here and there, but...
And the filters need to be replaced so we can have better tasting water, but there's no salt in it, so yay!
Now that most projects are completed, it is time to say goodbye to our four-legged friends and all of our cruising friends. Some of whom have some good advice for us.
Yeah, don't go to New Zealand.
Why not?
Because it's rough.
Oh, you mean the passage there, right?
Passage, yeah. Yeah.
What's
But-
there is wonderful.
But you got lucky going there, right?
Yeah, you get lucky going in, but then you're bound to be unlucky going out.
Just good travels. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. As I know you shall.
What are the best anchorages in the market?
Hanamoinoi is clear water again with manta rays, sharks that won't hurt you, lots of fish.
Have fun.
Have fun and be safe.
I have no real advice. What kind of advice can we have? You guys are the intrepid ones. We're just a bunch of old farts sitting around the Paz.
You know that I'm taping that, right?
I know that. We'll catch up to you in a couple of years.
Finally, the day has come to cast off the lines, with a little help from our friends.
We are leaving La Paz after spending a wonderful 3 months there. But first we are heading to Bonanza Beach on Isla Espiritu Santo before we cross the Sea of Cortez to reach Mazatlan in mainland Mexico.
Bonanza Beach is a beautiful spot to swim, snorkel and relax.
And we enjoy our last swim before our crossing.
We are anchored on the east side of Isla Espiritu Santo in front of Bonanza Beach, and that's our last day on the Baja Peninsula. Tomorrow we're gonna head over to Mazatlan, 225 miles, and go to the mainland. So we enjoy our last sunset here. It's beautiful. Are you excited to cross to the mainland?
I guess so. It's nice to finally be on our way again.
Yeah, we were in La Paz for a very long time.
Yeah, almost 3 months.
I know, way longer than expected.
It was a nice place to stay though.
I think so too, a good cruising community.
Yeah, very good cruising community. It'll be neat to see what's on the mainland now though.
I know. And then we're gonna do the big paddle jump.
I know. That sounds scary still.
It is. Well, we still have some time
We do. We have a lot of work to do still.
to prepare the boat and to prepare ourselves.
Yeah.
On a beautiful morning in the first week of March, we finally set sail to cross the Sea of Cortez.
Well, wait, no. First, we enjoy a good breakfast. What did you make?
I made us some soft-boiled eggs, and we have some fresh-baked rolls with Bierschinken that I got from the German lady at the farmer's market, and fresh coffee. Our last bag of Pete's coffee, so it's actually good coffee. Just a good breakfast to set us on our way to Mazatlan. Okay, now I get to take a picture of you in the morning, too. What are you doing, Christian?
I'm eating a very good breakfast that my lovely wife made.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she made soft-boiled eggs, cheese, beer schinken, and she made her own rolls.
Wow. You must be lucky to have such a nice wife.
I know, I can't believe it.
But now we set sail to cross the Sea of Cortez. Initially the wind is great and we make good progress under full sail.
But in the late morning, the wind dies as we pass Isla, and it stays like that for the rest of the trip. We're here in the middle of the Sea of Cortez. It's not really any wind, so we're motoring. And we are halfway between La Paz and Mazatlan. About 115 nautical miles to go.
Except for a few sea lions drifting by, it is a pretty uneventful passage. And after 2 days at sea, we can already see the city of Mazatlan.
We are only half an hour out of Mazatlan.
Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah? We made it to Mazatlan.
Yes, now we get to sleep.
Seems like there's a party going on.
I know, it's just like Cabo. It's kind of a shock after La Paz.
Yeah. Okay, well let's go to shore.
Okay.
We safely make it through the narrow entrance and tie up in the marina El Cid.
And enjoy all the perks of this place.
This really beats boat work.
Yes, this is the best internet we've had since we got to Mexico, I think.
Well, we pay for it.
That's right, but still, $2 a day is pretty good. We could have paid that in I would have paid that in La Paz for fast internet.
Really?
Yeah.
We explore downtown Mazatlan and visit the huge Mercado Municipal.
Established in 1900 and open daily, the market is a good place to buy goods from local farmers, including fresh vegetables and fruits, cheese, meat, fish, and all kinds of seafood. There's also a large variety of clothing stalls, as well as arts and crafts.
Yeah, you see a lot of these everywhere. For each of my, for my nieces, for Kaylee, Maddie, and Josie. ¿Cuánto es? 25.
It's nice, Alena.
I know. Getting around by bus is easy, and you can walk through downtown to the Cathedral Basilica of the Immaculate Conception and observe the daily life in the busy historical city center.
A good treat on a hot day is to stop at one of many fresh juice places.
I got a bowl with orange juice, grapefruit juice, and pineapple juice. All fresh squeezed. It's amazing.
Oh.
We check out an alternative marina.
So we just came from Club Nautico and the guy said it's like, what, 50 pesos? 50 pesos a day? But it's pretty run down actually. And the showers looked horrible, so I don't know. And go for an interesting hike. So what do you think about this hike, Alena?
This is probably one of the crappiest hikes I've ever done, and I mean that literally, because that's all you smell, it's crap.
Why?
There's a wastewater treatment plant right down there.
How you doing?
I'm going. It's hot.
There's no wind.
No wind.
It was a crappy hike indeed, but the view from the lighthouse is stunning and shows all of Mazatlan.
We meet some family friends who take us out to their favorite restaurant. Then it's time to set sail again. We leave Mazatlan and sail south for Isabel.
But more of that in our next episode.
caminito nos esperará.